All right, so move complete. We are in the new house and I literally have to unbox everything you see behind me and find a home for it in the new office. And there is so much work that needs to be done. So it is the second day of the move. Everything's here and in place. And so that's the easy part is unloading, but then unpacking is obviously the hard part. But what's really cool about this place is every room has Ethernet. So behind this is Cat 6 cable. So I asked about 1,000,000 times, and in the room I'm about to show you, the utility room, that will be the server room slash network closet, whatever you want to call it. All of these go to a junction in there. So that's really cool to have. Cat 6 in the entire house will be nice. And this is another view, I guess, of the tiny office, a better view. It's a lot smaller than the last room, but it's functional and should work for us. All right, so let's head over to the utility closet real quick and take a look at that. All right, and in here we go. So AT&T came earlier today, thank God, and they installed fiber. So this is our fiber connection box. Fiber comes in right here, gets converted to Ethernet, and bam. They didn't bother to connect up the rest of the jacks in the house, so that's something I'm gonna have to do. And there's power in here, which is kind of cool. And these are all coax lines. This will probably never get used because we don't do cable television anymore. It's been about 15 years since I last had cable. And just kind of looking at this room, it's a pretty nice size, like maybe 10-foot ceilings. This looks like it might be about 25, 26 inches wide. And this is probably, I don't know, 4 feet, give or take. So we got some room. I can take these down, which is nice. And I was thinking about maybe putting like a wall-mounted network rack here, and then I think server rack would go here. I think it'll fit. It'll be tight fit, but I think it will. Doing maintenance will be a pain in the ass, but I think it's possible. All right, so what do I need from you guys? Well, I need recommendations on tools because I will have to, make my own cables. I'll have to do outlets, and I'm not sure if I should just get those like Keystone ones that have like an Ethernet plug on the back or an Ethernet port on the back as well as an Ethernet port on the front, or if I should do like one of those punch down ones for the rear and then an Ethernet port for the front, obviously. So what punch down tool should I get? What kind of like stripper should I get? Preferably, I don't know, like just all sorts of stuff like that. And I will also be running my own cables because I want to have my Wi-Fi access point not in the ceiling, but like on the ceiling. I'll just probably like 3M tape it up there for now and poke a small little hole in the corner somewhere discreet. And what cable I should buy and just all sorts of things. So just, every tool that you guys can think, or the things that run cables through the walls, cable runners, I don't know what they're called, like what brands I should get. I'd really like to know. So please drop comments below to help me, figure that out, because I could do it on my own, but it's always easier to get suggestions from people that have that experience. And so that's a brief introduction to the new place, and more to come in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.